your door is always open and your path is free to walk. That makes me tend to leave my sleeping bag rolled up and stashed behind your couch. It's knowing I'm not shackled by forgotten words or bars, the ink stain that has dried upon some line, that keeps you on the back road by the rivers of my memory, keeps you ever gentle on my mind. It's not clinging to the rocks and ivy planted on their columns now that binds me, or something that somebody said because they thought we fit together walking. Knowing that the world will not be cursing or complaining when I walk along some railroad track and find that you're waving from the back road by the rivers of my memory, smiling ever gentle on my mind. And the clotheslines and the junkyards and the highways come between us, and some other woman's crying to her mother 'cause she looked and I was gone. I still run in silence, tears of joy might stain my face, the summer sun might burn me till I'm blind, but not to where I cannot see you waving from the back road, smiling ever gentle on my mind. I dip my cup of soup back from a gurgling, crackling cauldron in some train yard. Ruffling coal pile and a dirty hat pulled low across my face, with cup hands round a tin can I pretend to hold you to my breast and find that you're waiting on the back road by the rivers of my memory,